Welcome to Mad Flavors, where flavors are created. Today we will be preparing a Blacken Salmon BLT sandwich with a spicy ranch sauce. Now is a great time to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. First we're going to start by placing our bacon into a preheated skillet over a medium-high heat. After about 1 minute of bacon cooking, add in 1/3 cups of your favorite cognac, carefully using a lighter to set a fire. I told you, this is where flavors are created, and I meant that. After about 30 seconds to 1 minute, the alcohol will burn off. Once your bacon becomes this color, grab your tongs and carefully flip your bacon, making sure you don't burn yourself. I kid you not, if you follow these steps, your bacon will come out this fucking beautiful every time. I strongly recommend to never cook bacon any other way besides this way. I mean, honestly, this bacon belongs in a fucking art museum. Turn off your heat and carefully remove bacon from skillet, leaving behind bacon grease. Now it's time to treat the salmon like it's supposed to be treated. First we'll add 1 tablespoon of Chef Gone Mad Cajun Nola to each salmon fillet. Be sure to cover every inch of salmon with seasoning. In the description below, I will leave a link where you can find these seasoning blends. Next, add 2 tablespoons of Chef Gone Mad smoked garlic salt to each salmon fillet. I will also leave a link to this seasoning blend in the description below also. Add 2 cloves of garlic to the same skillet containing the bacon grease. Turn your heat up to medium-high. I told you, we're gonna build flavors on top of that bacon grease. And I meant that. Place each salmon into the skillet belly side down while gently pushing down on the skin side of the salmon to get a nice sear. The key to getting a nice sear is to not touch the salmon after the first 5 to 7 minutes after placing it in the skillet. Next, we're gonna season the skin of the salmon. Yes, the skin. We're seasoning the skin because we eating the skin. I choose pink Himalayan salt because I swear that shit just better than regular salt. It's something about the name that makes me feel important. We're also gonna season the skin with some fresh black pepper. Now it's time to make our spicy ranch. First we're gonna cut up about 2 tablespoons of fresh chives. You can use dry ingredients, but to create the flavor profile we're going after, you're gonna need fresh ingredients. Be sure to cut all of your fresh ingredients as fine as possible just in case you decide to store your ranch sauce inside of a squeeze bottle. You want it to flow out just right. 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna be using all of this ranch sauce today. So I'm just gonna rough chop my herbs knowing that I'm not gonna be storing it. Once you're finished chopping up your chives, place them into a small bowl or cup and set aside. Next, we're going to chop up 2 tablespoons of fresh Italian parsley. Like I said previously with the chives, you can use dry ingredients if that's all you have. But if you're looking for the flavor profile that we're creating, dry just won't cut it. Italian parsley is just one of those things that should be in every kitchen. I use it on just about every meal. If I don't use it within the meal, I most definitely use it as a garnish, just to sprinkle it on top. Next, grab 3 tablespoons of dill. Sometimes I use more than 3 tablespoons. It really depends on how potent your dill is. The proper amount of dill is basically the key to making ranch. But start off with just 3 tablespoons. It's no big deal. If it's not enough, you can always go back and add more. Add your chopped dill to the bowl or cup containing the other fresh herbs and set aside. Add 4 ounces of sour cream to a medium-sized mixing bowl. Add 8 ounces of mayonnaise to that same mixing bowl. Add 8 ounces of buttermilk to that same mixing bowl. Add in all of your fresh herbs. You want to whisk together all of your ingredients for 2 to 3 minutes until you get a ranch-like consistency. This is that ranch-like consistency we was looking for. Now it's time to season it and get the flavors right. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of Chef Gourmet Cajun Nola. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of Siracha. Add 2 cloves of fresh minced garlic. Whisk all of the ingredients together for 2 to 3 minutes, being sure that you completely combined all of the ingredients. And this ranch sauce can be used in a million different recipes. Why buy ranch when you can make it less than 5 minutes? After 10 minutes of the salmon cooking itself, we want to gently flip over each salmon. Oh, do you see what I was talking about when I said a nice sear? That's a badass sear. That's what we call a badass sear. So take a second and think about it. Garlic, cognac, bacon, Cajun seasoning, all these flavors locked into these salmon fillets. Next, we're gonna add a slice of pepper jack cheese to each salmon fillet. Today we're gonna use Artesano Buns, which are my favorite, fluffy and soft. Add your spicy ranch to both buns. You can use as much as you like. Too much is never enough. There's not too many things on earth worse than a dry sandwich. Add fresh butter lettuce to the top bun, followed by a slice of juicy tomato. Add your salmon fillet and bacon to the bottom bun. And just like that, looks can be simple, but the flavor profile is complex. This sandwich definitely belongs in some type of food museum, art gallery, taste contest, fashion show, shit, something. You let me tell it deserves a fucking Oscar. I mean, look at it. Everything's perfect, from the consistency of the spicy ranch, to the melted cheese, to the charred bacon. This sandwich like an R&B singer from the 2000s. It's screaming eat me. I heard it's all about the angles. So let's go ahead and stack up and get the angles. All honesty, she's even beautiful than before. And this sandwich wouldn't be right if I didn't place my leftover McDonald's fries on the side. McDonald's taught me one thing: fish sandwiches go so good with McDonald's fries. And it wouldn't be me if I didn't add my pink Himalayan salt. Please leave a review in the comment section below and let me know how was your experience recreating the Blacken Salmon BLT sandwich.